10 Amazon must-haves for this month. These folding cube organizers are the secret to a neat linen closet. They fit any bedding set and are perfect for towels and blankets. The clever window display allows for quick and easy identification of the contents. This is the ideal blending system for busy mornings. Just add your smoothie ingredients, screw on the blending top, flip and blend. There's no transfer mess. Swap the blending base for the travel lid with a built-in straw. This hands-free stand securely holds any plastic bag and features adjustable height arms to prevent spills during filling. It's fantastic for marinating, storing leftovers, and simplifying all your meal prep. This mini wireless printer is a must-have for instant personalization. It lets you print neatly on almost any material, guided by a light to ensure a straight line. Use it to effortlessly customize agendas. This drive-through tray is a must-have for your car. It adjusts to fit any cup holder, rotates 360 degrees, and provides a sturdy surface for mess-free eating or working on the go. This elegant aesthetic sink caddy includes 2 soap dispensers and a scrub holder, making it perfect for organizing your accessories and keeping your sink area tidy and stylish. These silicone straps stretch to securely seal your crock pots and Dutch ovens, preventing any leaks or spills when you transport food. They fit most lids and are a simple, dishwasher-safe solution. This all-weather solar light is the simplest way to light your home. It charges all day and automatically illuminates at night with a beautiful up-down glow. It mounts easily on any surface for worry-free lighting. This brilliant collapsible silicone water bottle is a travel must-have. It's made from safe, durable material, folds small to save space, and features a leak-proof design. This smart backseat organizer attaches to the back of your seat for extra storage, and it quickly folds out to become a sturdy tray, ideal for eating, working, or playing on the go.